Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I am going to change out my mascaras. Some I've already changed out, and I've been using. I don't use one mascara for 3 months and get rid of it. I use several, sometimes too many. And so then I use them longer than 3 months because I just don't use them every day. So I'm gonna show you what my favorites are and what I don't like. And let's see what I got going on here. I have got I have a little sample of the Thrive. This one is it's Thrive Cosmetics. It says Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. So I thought this was a tubing mascara only because Thrive has the tubing mascara, but this one might not be. Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. It doesn't say tubing. So I've had this for a while and was saving it for a special occasion. Haven't used it yet. So I'm going to open it and let's see. It's a little icky because it's been in my mascara thing, even though I haven't used it. So it has a nice brush. I like that kind of brush. So we'll check it out and I'll see if it's tubing or not because I don't know. I also got this Juice Beauty sample. I think I got this from Ipsy, and I think I bought it with some points maybe. This brush looks like a typical regular bristly kind of brush, but it is twisted. It's hard, I don't know if you can see that, but it's twisted. So that will be interesting. And I love Juice Beauty for their skincare. So I'm anxious to try that mascara. I also have these from AOA. I got these from Janet from Hawaii. She sent me some products from AOA, and I did show them to you on that video, but I haven't used them since. This is the Fat Lash. It is the primer. I think I used them once or twice, but I'm gonna use them now so that I can, let you know how they are. So that's the lash primer, which I'm not real good about using lash primers, but we're gonna try. And then there is the Fat Lash mascara. And these are nice brushes they have. That's a nice brush, I like it. It looks almost like a bristle kind of brush, but I think it's a silicone brush. Yeah, it's a silicone brush. But it's nice and thick. You can see it. It's got a lot going on there, which is good. And then it also came with, well, what she sent me. This is the little skinny. So this is like for, in inner corner, outer corner, edges that you can't get. Your lower lashes, which I don't do my lower lashes because my eyes weep too much. But it's fantastic. That little tiny brush is so cool. So I'm hoping this is going to be a really nice mascara. I did use it once or twice when I first opened it, and I don't remember, how it was. Hey, Smudge, he's right here. I recently received this mascara. Where is the name? Rose Ink. And it's real interesting. This I got in my advent calendar, I think, one of the advent calendars. So I thought I did open it up to show you, I think, at the time. So I wanted to start using it since I had already opened it up. And this brush is like flat on one side and then curved on the other. So can you see that? It's got a longer bristles here to make it curvy and then shorter bristles under. So it's different. It's different. You coming up, Smudge? Oh, he's already gone. Okay. But it's nice. It won't roll away. It's flat. And then I have this that I want to start trying because it's been in my mascaras for a while and I haven't. This is Rare Beauty. And I think I got this from Ipsy, most likely Boxycharm, Ipsy, And I like this brush. This is one of those that's a little bit, like, sort of, well, bristly. I was going to say sort of hourglass shape, but not really. But it's more like a brush than a silicone. So that is nice. That is the Rare Beauty. Anything I've tried from Rare Beauty, I have liked so far. So I think I'll like that. Hey, go, 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 go. And now on to what I'm getting rid of. This is the Yves Saint Laurent Lash Curl. This was a little sample and it didn't last long. I like it a lot. It's really nice. It's a fabulous brush, but it dried out so fast. Maybe it was already a little on the old side. I don't know, but I really liked it. Is it affordable for me? Probably not. Yves Saint Laurent, I'm sure it's not. So I'm getting rid of that. I'm getting rid of a couple of eyeliners that were in there. This is the iMethod Beauty eyeliner. This one is just a double-ended eyeliner pen. It's just dried out. That one has more of a point. I think this one is a shorter point. Yeah. So it just, you know, they don't last forever. So I'm getting rid of that. And this I've had forever too, and I really always loved it. But it's old and dried out. Avon, this is eye pencil, and it's in this really beautiful purple, but it's really pretty dried out. So I'm getting rid of that. And what's going out is the Colossal Volume Express from Maybelline. This is a good, you know, if you just want to get a drugstore mascara, this one's pretty darn good. It's got a great brush to it. It's a nice brush. It's not silicone. It's a bristly kind, and it works well. It works well. This is something that might have come in my my Dollar General box that I got. I'm thinking that's where that came from. And I used to buy that Maybelline mascara. So it's a good one. It's definitely a good one. And then I have this Max Factor. I think this also came in the Dollar General box. This is the Max Factor 2000 calorie. And I didn't like this one, y'all. Great brush. It just, maybe it was too thin or something, because it didn't look like it did anything. I have my eyelashes, of course I have mascara on right now, but my eyelashes are blonde. They can be a little long. You can't really, I don't know how, you know, how to show you. People have close-up. I don't have close-up. I don't know how to do close-up on my camera. I need some coverage going on. So I have my favorites right here. This one just rolled out from under Camille. This one I just received from Erlene. She sent me some goodies, and I have been wanting to try this. A lot of people have been telling me that it's really good and it's super cheap. I think it's from Ulta. I don't know where else they might sell it, but this is She Does, and it comes in different formulas. This one is the False Lash Effect, and it's She Does Lash Princess. And the containers are shaped like this, and there's, I don't know, waterproof and different ones that I've seen. And it's a nice brush to it, and I'm really anxious to try it because, I mean, it's like a couple of dollars cheap. Like it's $3 or $4 or $5. So I'm anxious to try that. So as you can see, I have way too many. And I still have 2 more that I have open that I'm using that are not, that I have not used long enough to get rid of. So what has now become my top 3, and I'm not going to put them in order because this used to be number 1, and I have to say that I don't think it is anymore. This is the Tarte Maneater, and I love this mascara. Still love this mascara. I don't think I'll ever fall out of love with this mascara. This one is quite old now, but look at that fabulous brush. It's little tiny teeth on there. So it's great for getting every lash covered. And another one that I have discovered since I've had my channel that I absolutely adore is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. This one is the double-ended. We've got curl and length, and then we've got volume. So the curl and length looks like this. Okay, whoops, I can't do that with that hand. Okay, it looks like that. It's got a curve to it, okay? Curl and length. And then the other side is the volume, and the volume is really thick silicone. The other was more like a brush. This is more silicone. So I use both ends of these, so double coat, and love it, love it, love it. And I don't use it all the time because it's fabulous and I want to keep it longer than I should. So I don't use it every day. Now, I've only tried this mascara recently, and I'm fortunate to have a couple of them. I've given it away over the years. I get so many mascaras that I just tend to stick with my favorites if I have them, If not, I try something new. Or if I want to show you a brush or something, like I've done with all of these that are open now, that these will last me a while. This is the iconic London. And it's really hard to see that because it's gold, it's black on gold, so I don't think you can see it. It says, because they do have different mascaras. So let me tell you exactly what this one is called. It's called Triple Threat Mascara. And this is in black, and this blew me out of the water phenomenal. Like really, I was so surprised. It is what I've been wearing every day because I love it so much. It is a silicone brush, and it has these little bitty teeth on it. And I've been loving it. It covers my lashes and all the way to the tip, all the way to the tip. I love it. I'm not a person that wants to do 1, 2, 3, 4 coats. I don't, and I won't. I will for a special occasion, but in the morning when I'm getting ready for work, I got to get out the door. So 1 coat and I'm done, and I love it, love it, love it, love it. So that is my mascara story for right now, and I will show you, you know, as I use them and use them up, I will show you how they are doing. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.